We both get seasick, and seasickness is the absolute worst. It's worse than the flu. And it makes me want to crawl into a corner and never come out. But we made a promise to each other that we would always stay on our watches. We've kept that promise to each other.
I don't feel like I have to prove myself to anyone. But the reason I continue to put myself through these challenging situations, the cold and the ice and the wet and the fatigue, the reason I continue to do this is because in the end I come out of it feeling more strong and more capable and more alive.